More schools are reevaluating their plans for the first day of school next month. At this time, Spring Branch ISD still has plans to have in-person and virtual teaching, and that goes against recommendations from Harris County Public Health. This has a lot of teachers on edge. Janelle Bluta has more on how they are feeling.
I'm really anxious and worried about it.
Everyone's scared, pretty anxious about it, and kind of in disbelief.
I don't know how we can have any kind of instruction when we are enforcing social distancing.
Those are the voices of Spring Branch educators who wanted to stay anonymous as they weigh the options in front of them for the fall.
As of now, they're planning on returning August 17th with students in the building and teachers.
Spring Branch ISD held a workshop meeting to discuss options yesterday, showing the results of a staff survey. In it, 55% of those who've responded so far say they're hesitant to return to work.
They still don't see the numbers in the Houston area going down. They continue to see them rise.
Zev Kappa with the Houston Federation of Teachers says many teachers are terrified.
Because people may ultimately have to make the decision on whether their job or their safety is their priority.
Some are having to decide whether to go back to work.
The last thing any teacher ever wants is to feel that they were complicit or part of a decision that puts any kid that they're responsible for in harm's way.
Or even resign.
Myself, I'm considering resigning, but I'm lucky that I have a partner who has a well-paying job.
But for others, that's not even an option.
I don't have the capability to resign. I'm the breadwinner in my family.
Kappa says the only hope now is that something changes.
We are asking our members to send letters to their school board members right now. Send as many as you can.
In Houston, Janelle Bluta, KHOU 11 News.
A challenging predicament from the teachers we heard from. Now, we reached out to Spring Branch ISD, who says they are still waiting to hear responses from families, and the administration and the board are considering their options based on the workshop meeting. Looking at other districts now, Spring ISD will now start the first 4 weeks of the school year online. Then it can transition to in-person if families would like. But that depends on the COVID-19 situation in the community. And Clear Creek ISD has decided to push its start date to August 24th. It will start with students learning online from home and teachers providing instruction from their classroom. And Cy-Fair ISD pushed back its start date to September 8th. We are tracking all the district's plans for you. You can text the word school to 713-526-1111, and we'll send you a link to find your school's plans for the upcoming school year.